guys, I'm going to show you how you can get from this to this. I'm first going to start off with my E.L.F. Putty Primer. I love this primer so much. It just looks so smoothing on the skin. I start with my T-zone and my pores, and then I blend out from there and press in. Then I'm going to go with my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. I love this foundation because not only does it give you good coverage, but like it says, it's very fresh looking on the skin. Then I'm going to go in with my Bear With Me concealer from NYX. This has been like my #1 concealer all year long. It's so good. Then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Amber. I don't usually apply it straight to the face, but I couldn't find my brush, so I'm just going to go in and blend it with my Beauty Blender. Then I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. I'm going to take my powder and press underneath the eyes and the T-zone, and then after I do that, I'm going to take my face brush for the rest of the powder and swirl it in there and just pat the rest of the face with the powder to set the face. And then I'm going to go in with my Silky Matte bronzer from Milani. This is such a beautiful formula. It's so easy to blend out. It's so natural looking. It's a shade that's kind of in between a contour and a bronze, so it's a great product for kind of in between, and I love this product so much. It's so beautiful. And then I'm going to go in with my Milani Baked Blush. I love this blush so much. If you haven't tried this formula, highly recommend trying it out. It's so beautiful, and because it is a baked formula, it's just going to give you a really pretty sheen to the cheeks. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love this blush so much. I'm then going to go in with my LA Girl Downplay palette. This has also been a favorite of the year for me. I love this palette. I'm going to go in with the first shade here and go just in as my transition shade. Then this dark chocolatey brown just on the outer edge of the eye to add some dimension. And then I'm going to go in with this pretty metallic shade just all over the lid, wherever there's any empty spaces, just to add a little bit of shine. And then going back in with the first shade to go into the lower lash line, going in with that chocolatey brown as well on the outer third of the lower lash line. And if you make a mess, that's okay. Just wipe it away. It's all going to be okay. Then going back in with that metallic shade again on the lower lash line, just kind of matching the top to the bottom, and then going in with glitter. Now, if you don't like glitter, you can totally skip this step, but I love glitter. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love this. Again, it is a glitter, so it's going to be a little bit chunky, not like a shimmer or metallic. It definitely has chunks of glitter in it, but I think it's so pretty for the holidays. As you can see, I went a little overboard on this eye, so I kind of had to match the other eye. And then if you have any fallout, just wipe away with your powder brush. And then I'm going to go in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil to fill in my eyebrows. This has been a go-to for me as well all year, well, for years in fact, not just this year. Then my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit as well to set the brows. Then I'm going to go in with my another product from Benefit, their Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This has been also a favorite of mine this year. I have a lot of favorites, as you can tell. Then I'm going to go in with this LA Girl lip liner in the shade Spice. I love this shade so much. I feel like it's the perfect shade for any neutral combo. Then this Color Fetish lipstick from Milani in the shade Secret. It's so pretty, and I've heard that it can be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, but I don't know for sure. And there you have it, guys. That's how I got this look. I hope you guys enjoyed so much. I hope you guys enjoy your holidays, enjoy it with family, friends, and I'll see you next time.